Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lulo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Lulo Cafe's name and image was dragged through the mud after his privacy was violated when someone took a video of him bathing and sent it to Musa Kaula, who shared it on Twitter on Wednesday, you guys, which led to Musa's Twitter being reported and suspended, you guys, after users felt like this time Musa has messed with a wrong person, Lulo Cafe, who is unproblematic, and decided to report him. So Lulo Cafe has spoken out for the first time since, and this is what he had to say. I am crushed and have no fight left in me. I am sorry. He also continued and said, I am okay. I was just apologizing to those I've let down. I just need some time and I will be okay. Now that's it, guys. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thanks on clicking on this video. Bye.